SERV Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Easy to buy. Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at SERV Robotics, sitting at 869, 18% off for the day. This is how much it looks like. And overall, still not sold on the bullish idea yet. The only way that I've really continued to move with this is just want to take it higher. I would not start buying randomly, but what I'll do is just observing it, man. Like personally, the only case that this is going to be a buy for me is there is a double break. Using a strategy that's previously delivered all these thousands of predictions, like it's pretty much like I always say, 98% of the time you're just going to show up to draw and wait. And when those two, no, not even two, like 0.2% of times when the rules are met, that's when you pull the trigger. And that's me talking to myself. Obviously, please don't listen to me. I mean, do your own due diligence, but still, this is still not, it hasn't delivered yet. So I'll definitely keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, just check the first link in the description. Like if you want to learn to make more profits by taking less trades, free course below.